All right, YouTube, here we are with another video, part 2. All right, it's not about the red eye today, even though it only has 10,000 miles on it, 2019. All right, let's go over to the more important matter. This is like part 2 of rebuilding this 5.7 Hemi. We're still stripping it down, getting it ready to send out to the machine shop. We're gonna paint probably the engine orange like a Hemi would be. Let me show you the lifter. This is the noise, why we had to replace the motor in the other car. Is this the one right here? One of them? You can see the play that it has right here. Look at this play. I mean, you can move it back and forth. It's just slapping. The needle bearings are bad. Anyway, if you guys have any suggestions out there in YouTube land, I already got long tube headers ordered. I already have a cam and lifters from Summit coming. Not sure about the pistons. Not sure what we're gonna bore it out to. Okay, my daughter's gonna finish that up, I hope, or at least get the rest of the way ripped down. Anyway, we got the heads over here in the corner. I gotta send them out. Gonna put all new valves in there, all new springs, the whole 9 yards. Have that all done. We're gonna paint the faceplate and everything. We're just gonna make the motor look really good before we drop it in a vehicle. We don't know what kind of vehicle we're gonna put it in yet. That's up in the air. Got to look online, maybe find another Dodge Charger, I think. That's the plan. Dodge Charger would be nice. And have this thing all beefed in there and see what kind of horsepower we can pull out of this thing. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you guys think. Nice and smooth in there, nothing scored up. This is just a lot of, not corrosion, this has just been sitting for a long time. And look at all this.
Bad gas.
Yeah, bad gas, carbon, look at that. Ooh. Anyway, letting the oil drain out of it so we can rip the rest of it apart. We didn't have a lot of time in the past few months to do this, so I figured, you know what? Today's the day. All right. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.